What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. How's everybody doing today? We cut some new stickers. We got our Performance MD stickers cut last night. Just having some little ones for the meet this weekend, but I'm kind of digging this gold. We might be doing gold livery on the car. Not totally sure. Maybe that metallic gold or even a sparkle gold. We'll figure that out. But I'm leaning towards gold because I think it's going to look wild. But that's another day. So I had work today. So as I was running around doing all my normal work stuff, I had to go buy some sandpaper. So we got lots of sandpaper. We got some sanding blocks. Everything ranging from 300 grit to 2500 grit. So you guys can probably guess what we're doing today. If you couldn't tell by the intro, we're messing with the wing. So this is the first time I have shown you, YouTube, all the subscribers, you guys, on the channel about the carbon wing. So Kendra picked that up for me a couple weeks ago. She found it used from some guy off an RX-8, so that was pretty cool. Rotary fam helping the rotary fam out. But this is a BCL wing. She picked it up for me, came with basically trunk mounts, which I can't use, the risers, which I can use, and the element. So I ordered the basically angle brackets from BCL for the FC trunk. It's definitely seen some better days. It's had some questionable things done to it by some not very smart previous owners. So that kind of sucks. Can't do anything about that. But there is a little stress crack right here. We're gonna sand down and basically put some adhesive on that and then re-resin it. And then for just some of this like hazing and pitting and just where the clear coat's starting to rub away, we're just gonna sand all that down and then we'll re-resin it, and then we will clear everything and just get it all looking back to normal, back to the way it's supposed to be. But the FC's getting a carbon wing, boys. So I know a lot of you guys have been asking about that. A lot of you have wondered when I was going to get a wing, and I guess now is the time. So y'all might be wondering why I'm finally getting the carbon wing. A, Kendra bought it, so that's like a big thing. But B, I kind of quit caring about SCCA class racing for the most part. Like, I just don't do it that much anymore, and that was a lot of the restrictions put on my car. I couldn't do as much with aero and as much with mods as I wanted to. So now, since I've kind of backed off of SCCA, I've done a bunch of my seasons there. I've gotten some championships, so that's good. But their time trial program is honestly starting to die, and sorry if you SCCA guys are watching this and you're gonna argue with me, but it's dying. I now much prefer to run like track events, just local events, just fun events. I'm still gonna go run hill climb. I'm still gonna go run every single hill climb I can get my ass to, and I'm gonna do it with a wing. And whatever class they put me in, that's fine. If I determine I can win, like my original class CSP, I will rip that wing off. We'll just put the factory wing back on and we'll go do some runs without a wing so I can qualify for those classes. But Grid Life, I'm going to be in Street Mod, I believe, and I can have a wing in Grid Life for Street Mod, so let's have one. So that's what we're going to do. Harrison's coming over to help me with the wing. Joel's just going to come hang out, and I think Ty might come over too. We're not sure. But yeah, so once everybody gets here, we'll start sanding and we'll get cranking on that thing. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of the wing, and stay tuned. Hopefully we can salvage this. I think we can. Or we're just gonna send it, maybe break it at Road Atlanta, and then I'll do another element. All right, so the wing is broken down, and people are idiots. And this is how they cracked the wing originally. They're like, fuck it, we'll just drill through this part. When, oh look, there's convenient mounting holes here. So, yeah. They drilled through this. They cracked the carbon a little bit here on the edge, which we're gonna fix up first, and then we'll just fix the rest of this. So we started off trying to clean up the crap that the last people did with it, but we got a lot of this rust off and like the corrosion and just whatever shit off. They also spray painted the mounts with the mounts on the wing, so we got the excess paint off. Did that for both sides. They just really fucked up these holes here, boys. We're going to be normal. We're going to use the wonderful 4 factory mounts that they give you for this wing. So we're going to do that. And then we'll figure out how to deal with the rest of this.
That's crazy.
So didn't film much because we're having to do a lot of things, but we got our adhesive gluing the carbon back together, so that's drying, and we've got to go to O'Reilly's to get some more sandpaper, some foam brushes for the resin, and fiberglass, because we're gonna patch these stupid holes that the people left in this poor wing that caused that crack to begin with. So we'll go back to normal mounting points, fiberglass over that, put stickers on them, hide it, but we're gonna try to make this wing stronger again. So let's go to O'Reilly's. We're back from O'Reilly's. I've dropped the camera 3 times today and it's still not broken. An engineer showed up.
No.
And we are fiberglassing over these fucking holes that people did. So Harrison's in charge of that, and I'm just filming.
Good stuff.
Oh yeah. We've got our patches cut for these holes, so we're gonna get ready to throw some resin down and cover up this disgusting mess that people did. Ty, how do you feel about this wing?
Garbage.
Perfect.
I have no fucking idea what it looks like. It says that shitty RX-7.
Those shitty RX-7s.
Huh?
Those-
RX-8.
Those
Shitty rotary motor.
shitty green cars. And then we have a wing filled with hardware.
And just Bondo it.
Bondo will just fall through the cracks.
No, you just cram it full. You basically do like an 80-20 hardener to filler, and it hardens in like 35 seconds.
No, I mean like over time, because there's nothing underneath these holes.
Shit already looks nice. We're mixing up some more fiberglass. We got resin. For any of you internet guys that are about to talk about why we're fiberglassing a carbon wing, it is because people drilled holes in it. Holes look disgusting. We're not going to use them. You want to fix them, and then we're also just going to try to add some rigidity, because when they bolted the wing to the mounts, it pretty much they like clamped down the carbon really bad and made it flexible. So we're going to fix that. we've got our patches done. Harrison did all of the fiberglass work while I watched and learned. But we've got our 2 layers fiberglass on the bottom. We've got our 2 layers on top, and then we wrapped it over the edge to connect to the bottom. Same on this side. We decided to do that because we had the crack here, and Ty suggested wrapping fiberglass over just to help protect that crack and seal it up and make sure we don't have problems. We basically made ourselves a giant sanding mess, but that's okay. The wing's going to be stronger now. We'll just have to sand it down and then re-clear it. But how do you think it's turned out?
It's doing pretty well. It's a lot better than I thought it would be.
Yeah. I wish people didn't drill holes through wings and bolt them where you shouldn't bolt it, but that's life. So we have a wing though, and it's coming along. So hopefully it'll be on for the meet this weekend. Maybe. There you have it, guys. That's pretty much it for today. I might continue this video, I don't know. Thank you guys for watching this video. Let me know what you guys think in the comments about this wing. I'm sure some of you are going to tell us we're doing this all wrong and we should have left the wing alone. We should have bought a new wing. We shouldn't use the element, whatever, but it's here, we're using it. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. Let me know how you guys think it's going to look on the car. And yeah, we'll see you guys for another video. And if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you are a long-time subscriber, thank you. It is hot as balls out here. So hope you're inside watching this because it would feel a lot better than how we feel right now. Hopefully I'm gonna go jump in the lake and then we'll see you next time. Bye y'all.